As you've been going through your Google Classroom lessons this week, we've reviewed soft G and hard G. Before we got out on this leave, we talked about how G is like a train and it's on the track. And when it runs into E, I, or Y, it's highly likely that it's going to switch from its normal g, 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 to its soft G sound, which says J, but not always. We also mentioned that C follows the same rule, and we're going to start using that today. So you see, I've got my C train track set up, and normally our C goes along and it says k, 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 k. But most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, when C runs into E, I, or Y, it switches to the other track, and now it's going to say s, 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 s. So I've given you some example words to look at. Like, we all know what this word is, but let's look at it thinking about our C train. So we've got C, it's going along, and it runs into what letter? I hope you said A. So you're right. C's going along, it runs into A. Think about it. Does it make it change tracks? It doesn't. So it keeps going on its normal k track, which makes this word k, at, cat, instead of s, at, sat. Well, let's look at this one. Our C train is going along, and it runs into I. Oh, it runs into I. It's more than likely going to change to our S sound. So that makes this S-itty instead of kitty, city. Let's look at this one. C runs into what letter? Runs into E. Oh, E makes us change tracks. So instead of k, our C here is going to say s, ent, scent. What about this one? Right. This one runs into A, just like it did in cat. So it should be k-a-v, cave. Now remember, if you try the sound you expect to hear and it doesn't sound right, try the other one. Every once in a while, there's a word that doesn't follow the rule. Ooh, this C is in a different place. It's in the middle instead of at the beginning. Still follows the same rule, though. C train runs into I. E, I, or Y. We're probably going to change to our S sound. Ill, pencil, pencil. Last one for right now. We take our C train. It runs into O. Oh, probably going to stay cop. So remember, boys and girls, we're looking for E, I, or Y, just like we did with G. Watch for these words as we try our new stories and as we do our next couple activities.